Good morning, traders. Welcome to Beyond Profile. Today is Monday, July 11th, and we're opening down significantly, and should not be a surprise from what we were hearing on Friday. This is just a continuation of this over the weekend. A couple key areas here we have to point out is the 1316 level on the S&P. We lose these 25s area here at the bottom of the end of this, which we're actually probing right now, 2450s, 25s pre-market here. This opens up the door to go to 16s. Below the 16 level is really back to the breakout area from last week, which was 1293, 1300 area. It's a long ways down, but again, remember it's an imbalanced state. Imbalance up can lead to an imbalanced state right straight back down. We also have a technical, what they call an island top reversal, especially with this morning's gap down again. This was going to retrace Friday's lows, because we've actually taken Friday's lows out. So this gap up here, very bearish signal if it holds within the next day or so here, which by the gap down this morning, I would bet that it's going to hold here, especially with all the news coming out of Italy and all of the banks over there. That's you're starting to see the same contagion fears we were always talking about after Greece happened. You got Italy now next online here. So you have to watch this morning. Obviously, you want to get short. I wouldn't be buying this market. If anything, any rallies, I would take advantage of looking to get short. The last point of control in the overnight session is up to 28 1/4 here. So we're 24.5 right now. Would be back to 28 1/4. For any sort of a movement to get short. I mean, it's just been drop, and below this level it really opens the door, like I said, for 16s. There's not much below us, and at this point, if we are opening, we're going to be opening below 2650s, which was that prior low on the daily. This is actually again a lot of longs trapped. It's a bear. Bears are in control here this morning. No ifs, ands, or buts. And then when looking at the chart, what do we have? Nothing but air all the way back down. Let me grab a 30-minute chart, and you can see this a little clearer when you're looking for areas on the chart that would allow for you to look for areas of potential support. You can see we were pretty much in balance. Last week we broke higher and then pulled back in on it on Friday. Now we're below those prior lows from last week. The only thing we've got back down here is this pocket, 16 halves. You got a naked point of control at 15 halves on the daily, and you can see anything here, any sort of a little rally, 28s. Like I said, the current point of control for the overnight session is 28 1/4. If that could bounce to that level, I would look for that for the short, and if it's going to break right to 16s, because we're already gapping down nearly 17 1/4 right now, where we're standing at 24, 20, 2550s. Prior high volume node right here at 2552, but we've taken it out, so we'll see what's going to happen. Like I said, I'm more apt to short back into this high volume area, this one right here, which is the 29s, but the overnight's 28 1/4, 28s to 30s. Get short, because that was also the value area low from all of last week. So bounce and then get short. Be careful here trying to play anything on the long side. There's just too much woes out there right now. Take advantage of the bounces to get short. All right, to get short. You wouldn't want to necessarily buy them, but you're looking for a short entry, to get us down to these 16s. After the 16s, like I said, you've got room to drop all the way back down to where we broke out from the prior week. Right back down to here, 92s to 13s. Okay, folks. Well, we'll see you in the room, and be careful this week. Again, be careful watching out for all of these key levels. Remember, clean imbalanced state up can mean clean imbalanced state right straight back down. Have a good trading day, everyone.